all good. These kids are waiting for it to rip anyway. Here we go. See, there you go. That looks better. Took me yesterday. It took me a while. What's wrong with this program?
Did it not want to shut off? Or?
No, I let it go.
Okay. For a second, I thought my thing was still sending it, so I turned it off real quick.
No, these guys wanted to hear it ramp up.
Can you do one more time?
Nope, no, that's it. Because then we got calls to dispatch, and then police come and all that.
Yeah, we don't want to annoy anybody.
I'm already risking that as it is.
I'll give him a call and just say.
Yeah, because I usually get you know, it's a nice day.
Yeah. Well, I mean, considering 2 days ago we did have a tornado.
Right, you know. That's,
Yeah, we did have a tornado warning here.
tell you what, when I'm in Michigan, they freak right out. Michigan gets a tornado, boy. I got service calls up the wazoo. Oh, I got to get that paperwork back in there.
Hey, Kaden, you better go take some pictures before he closes it. You better get some pictures before he closes it.